Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Alif's Diary. How are you all doing today? Today on my channel we are not cooking anything, but I will be showing you all something very exciting which I bought for my friend for her kitchen. She lives in Quebec and very soon I will be visiting her, so I thought to buy something for her which is amazing product. I bought for myself first from Marketplace. Amazing. I love that a lot. It had actually saved a lot of my time, energy and my money. If you all remember my gas stove liner video, then it's the same product. I purchased in March and we are August end, and still that is in good shape. So I want to buy something for my friend which she always remembers me whenever she goes into the kitchen for cooking. And let me show you all as well. So here they are. This is the gas stove liner. We will be placing this on gas top, like on top of the gas stove. Then they have also introduced something for oven as well, and I love that because it's going to save a lot of your time and it's amazing. So this is oven liner. The instructions, how to use, how to clean, everything is here on this, so I loved it a lot. If you see here, you can directly do the baking. If you can bake cookies, you can bake chicken stripes, burgers, everything. You do not need a separate baking tray now, and no more butter paper. Bake it, clean this liner, and that's it. It comes in 3 sizes, so this is a bigger one. So if you have lot of baking, you can use this as a single sheet. Small baking items, you can use the small sheets. And this is extra large. So this is an extra large sheet. You can use this in your indoor oven as well, or if you have a bigger barbecue outdoors, you can even use it there as well. So since I was demonstrating her how to use it, how to place them on the gas stove, I thought to share with you all as well, just in case if you buy, then you can see my video as a demonstration. They are very easy to place. So you can see like it has a circle, and plus it has lot of cuts here. All you have to do is you just have to cut it as per your burner size. So I have this burner size, but I have the spark here. So I will be cutting to make sure that the spark is out. Okay. So let me cut this out. So you can see I just cut in a circular portion like this, so that it's not touching this spark. Okay. And everything else is packed here, so that if there is any spill or anything, it will be on the liner, and then you can always clean it up. Okay. Same thing we will be doing for all the 4 burners. Now let me show you how the oven liner works. So this is the small size oven liner. I will be placing it here on the tray. I just have to do a small baking of these hash browns. So I'll directly place them here. That's it. No need for any baking tray. I will bake it now. Once it's done, I will clean this liner. Now let me show you the larger sheet. If you have like 2 pizzas or lot of baking items, like lot of burgers for your in-house party, chicken wings. You can place them all together, bake it, clean it, and reuse the sheet. It fits completely on this large tray. If you have the oven size which is little bit smaller, you can even cut it and you can use it. One more great product I purchased from them is these gap covers. As you all can see that there is a gap in between my countertop and the oven. Especially in Indian cooking, whenever you are cooking chapati, the dry flour always goes in between these gaps, and then it becomes breeding place for roaches and mites. So you just place the gap cover and at night wash it and then reuse it again. They are completely washable, heat resistant, perfect fit, easy to cut and install as per your countertop size. Also, it is so simple and easy to place an order through them. They can deliver it to you. Since these products are very light in weight, so delivery cost will not be that much. If you are in GTA, you can even go to their location and you can pick it up directly as well. I placed an order and through Canada Post it came in like 2 business days, and I'm so happy. If you are thinking of buying this amazing product, then in the description box below I have put the contact details of the seller. You can contact them directly and place the order just like me. So did you all see how easy and simple it is to use, and it is such a useful product. I am sure my friend is definitely going to like it and love it. And if you all like my video, then definitely give a thumbs up, write in a comment, and yes, do not forget to subscribe Alif's Diary. See you all soon with my new video. Till then, goodbye, take care, stay safe, stay healthy and stay positive.